This 5-minute solution will show you how to check your laptop screen size. Follow these easy steps to check your laptop exact screen size. First of all, click on the search icon and here type System Information and open System Information app. Here you will get system manufacturer name and system model name. So system manufacturer name is your laptop brand name. You have to note your brand name and your system model name. Then go to a browser and here you have to type your system manufacturer or your laptop brand name. My one is Acer, and then you have to write system model. So here write your system model and as you can see my system name and system model matching with this name and model. Now I'm searching for it. After searching by your laptop model and brand name, here you will get a list of laptops. So now you can easily open any link, and this is my laptop model I'm using. So here scroll down. Under specification section you will get display, and here you will get your laptop exact screen size. My laptop screen size is 15.6 inch HD, and here we can see the resolution. That's how you will be able to check your laptop screen exact screen. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.